You're stronger than your darkest thoughts. Rise above the noise, the chaos, the self-doubt. You are a warrior, an individual, a force to reckon with. Believe in your innate strength. Set your mind on your goals. Visualize your success, the future you want. It's within your grasp. Reach out and take it. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Embrace the challenge. Find the opportunity in adversity. You were born to conquer. Fuel your fire with positivity. You are unstoppable. Wear your cape with pride. Rise, for you were designed to soar high.